Once upon a time, in a kingdom where colors shone brighter than the sun, a mysterious event turned the world gray. The beautiful rainbow gem, which brought life and color to the land, had vanished. 3 friends set out to restore the colors of the kingdom: Leo the brave lion, Mina the curious fox, and Jax the clever owl. Together, they vowed to find the lost gem. They found their first clue in the Whispering Woods, where an ancient tree told them that the gem was hidden by a mischievous spirit in the mystic mountains. The trio traveled for days, climbing steep hills and crossing rivers, never giving up hope. The mountains were tall and covered in fog. At the base of the mountains, a stone gate blocked their path. A riddle was carved into the stone: only those with true hearts can pass. When they recited their wish to restore colors for everyone, the gate opened, revealing a dark cave. They stepped in, lighting a small lantern to guide the way. Inside, they found a maze of shadows, where they had to trust each other to find the right path. Together, they avoided traps and false doors. At the end of the maze, they arrived at the Lake of Illusions. The water showed them strange reflections, but Jax noticed that the real path was hidden beneath. Crossing the lake, they found a shimmering rainbow bridge, but the bridge was fading. They had to run quickly across before it disappeared. At the mountain peak, they finally met the mischievous spirit, who held the gem. The spirit challenged them to prove they deserved it. The spirit set up a final challenge: they each had to face a fear. With bravery, curiosity, and wisdom, they overcame each test. Impressed by their courage and unity, the spirit handed them the rainbow gem, which glowed with all the colors of the kingdom. The friends returned to the kingdom, holding the gem high. As they walked, colors burst back into the land, bringing joy to everyone. The kingdom celebrated the return of the rainbow gem. Everyone danced, laughed, and thanked the brave friends for bringing back the colors. From that day on, Leo, Mina, and Jax were celebrated as heroes. And every year, the kingdom held a festival to remember their brave quest. And so, the colors of the kingdom stayed bright and beautiful, reminding everyone that true friendship and bravery can overcome any challenge. The end.